Just on an impromptu trip to Disney World. Woke up today. We're like, you know what? It's gonna be nice and cool out. Let's go to Disney. So here we are in Magic Kingdom for the day. We just parked. We're gonna head over on the monorail. It's gonna be fun. You gonna have fun today, bud?
Yeah.
Carson, you ready for Disney?
This is our 4th time going to Disney.
I know, in like a month. Here we are, ticketing gate center. Through security. It's about 12 o'clock, 11:30, late start to the day. Might as well start with lunch. The last minute decision to come here, so it's pretty late, but sit down, have lunch, jump on our first ride. What ride do you want to do first, bud?
I'm gonna do Star Wars.
Star Wars? We're not in Star Wars yet.
Oh, okay, I guess I don't know what to do.
Maybe we can have on Buzz, it's not too busy.
Winnie, yeah. Wash your hands often and thoroughly.
Kevin never wears his mask over his nose and you'll get kicked out of Disney and sent home.
You would, yeah.
I'm excited that I'm at Disney.
Yeah. I'm excited I'm at Disney too. Lunch was good. We packed our own lunch since it's a day trip, save some money. What do you mean? We're gonna go over, check out Tomorrowland, Speedway, and Buzz. Pretty crowded today. The Super Bowl is tomorrow, so I guess that makes it a little more crowded. They're not having the Super Bowl parade though. Normally they have on Monday. Hi Carson. How are you? Good. Did you see lunch?
No.
What'd you eat?
For the health and safety of
Wood.
please allow them to fully cover your nose and everyone at all times. Except for packaging.
We got the tissues. We're good to go. It says 40 minutes. You know, I'll wait 40 minutes. And then what are we gonna do? I did. That was before we ate lunch.
That's why I asked what the game plan was before we walked over here.
Okay, but we're gonna be over. Then let's go to Tomorrowland Speedway. Buddy, wanna go race in Tomorrowland Speedway?
What's that?
Where you get to drive the car?
Don't crash.
Driving the car. Are you excited? Jumped on Tomorrowland Speedway. It was about a 10-minute wait. Both kids could ride it. It was fun. Park's a little busy today. Considering last time we were here for COVID, it wasn't as bad. I think we're gonna go over to Winnie the Pooh. Check that out. Winnie the Pooh, about a 30-minute wait. It's about typical for all the rides here today, so we're just gonna wait it.
Up there.
Yeah, we go in that building. Carson. It's closed.
Not allowed to go in there, bud. Not allowed to. Who's here, Carson? Is that Pooh's house? Pooh's not in there though, is he? No, can't go in. We gotta stay out here. He's not in there.
It's off.
Yeah, the carrots aren't popping up.
sweet-footed little reach that turn.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite!
Follow me, right this way. Phew, I almost bounced right out of the ride. Watch out for the they steal.
Carson, was that cool? You like that? You like that? That's not creepy, oh man. That's not creepy. Winnie the Pooh! That was always a good ride, Winnie the Pooh. Off to the next, probably Little Mermaid. Sanitize. Bubbles!
Oh, I want one of these.
Come on. Pop the bubbles. Hey, Kari, did you get the picture?
I already have one.
Pop them.
Pop, 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 pop.
Time for Little Mermaid. Got some snacks. Fueled up. Done Winnie the Pooh. Let's do this.
Boy, we're getting a lot done today. Fantastic. Play with Joe, so. Okay. Have a nice break to the day. Come back and you can stay longer.
Sitting? Ready? Here we go. Little Mermaid.
Thank you, not a face. Thanks. That's what this story's all about. Hey, where you been?
We did it! Little Mermaid's awesome! Back to the bar. Okay.
What next?
Bathroom break and then lunch. And then I don't know what, maybe pirates? Have to check the wait line.
Are we doing the Tom Sawyer Island?
We could do that next. Maybe Tom Sawyer. I think that's open again. Starlight Cafe. Time for second lunch.
Did you know that a comet is a star with a tail?
You already ate your lunch, first of all. I got some french fries.
French fries. Just finished second lunch. Going to Tom Sawyer Island. Can't get enough of that. Gonna go on Tom Sawyer Island. Got the ferry going by. Pretty cool. Tom Sawyer Island's fun. Kids love all the different activities and things you can run around. If you guys have never tried it, you definitely should with kids. It's awesome. So much to do, you'll see. Bring you guys along. We're not going to be swimming. No swimming here. Too many alligators. So cute!
Blue ducky! Like one's actually coming from trees, not trees. All ducks have that. I saw this in the bush, but not on the ducky.
Okay.
You can roll it. Mark it with the seal. Put it in the other bush. Like you did.
Give me that. I got up here. I got out here.
What are you doing up there? Finally on the boat. Tom Sawyer Island, here we come. We're here. What's up? One more. And then there should be.
I see a tree house. CJ, look.
This is closed.
Close it.
Close it.
Yeah, it's creepy
It's
there.
creepy in there, but mommy and daddy are with you. We gonna protect you?
Yeah.
Do not worry.
Indian Joe hasn't been seen in these
It's
parts for a
creepy
long
there.
time.
I'm gonna hold your hand.
Yes. Living here with mommy and daddy.
Okay.
Let's go. You want to hold my hand?
It's creepy there.
Oh, yeah.
It's USA.
Should we go this way or that way? Which way?
Wait, is this a circle or not? Wait, oh no.
It's like this.
Think we are all done? Think we all done?
I think we're all done.
And let's go find out over.
Mystery mine. I have explored many of the mines, but this one's the best ever. Strange things happen in here, so keep an eye out and don't stop for nothing. Alright.
Just don't stop.
What's the
Don't stop
reason?
for nothing.
Bye.
Bye-oh.
What's that?
Bye-oh. there.
straight ahead.
We've already been up there. Snack break.
Got gummy.
Still on Tom Sawyer Island. Looks like it's about to rain, but
That's it.
that won't stop us from eating. Got a nice little view for our snack break. Did you guys have fun? We're having more fun with the water fountain. All done Tom Sawyer Island. Time to hop on the boat, head back to mainland. Having a lot of fun with that, huh? Who would have known a water fountain would be so much fun? I think we might hit 1 or 2 more rides and head out. Back on the boat. I think we're gonna go ride Haunted Mansion. It's about a 20-minute wait. Buddy, you want to ride Haunted Mansion? Yeah. See Carson. You want to ride Haunted Mansion?
It's creepy.
It is creepy, but do you want to ride it?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to ride it?
Too creepy.
Too creepy for you? No, you've been on it 100 times. Too bad. Change your plans, we're leaving. No more park. These kids have had enough for one day. We were gonna ride Haunted Mansion, but X-Nay, we're getting out of here. It's been a full day. Good day trip. Time to skedaddle. Thanks for coming along. Bye, Disney.
Find a green ground marker, 3 per ground marker. If your party's more than 3, take multiple ground markers. Welcome aboard, folks.
Carson, not that sleepy yet. Who do you have in there? Which one's that? Huh? Genie? Say bye, Disney. It was fun. See you later. See you real soon.